Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers make great quality products. So in this video, I just want to wrap up with an overview of our 4-step process for making improvements and efficiency and quality in your manufacturing business. So my previous videos outlined our 4-step process for improving your manufacturing operations and moving towards paperless manufacturing. I've explored how to standardize your processes for efficiency, embed quality control to ensure consistency, analyze data for informed decision making, and then foster continuous improvement for continued success. By following these steps, you can create a resilient and efficient manufacturing system. These principles not only enhance productivity, but they also foster higher quality products and a culture of excellence. So while these things can be done manually, digital tools can really help here. They can make the process significantly easier and more effective. From real-time data collection through to streamline quality checks, digital solutions can simplify every stage and enable faster, deeper insights. So if you're ready to explore how digital tools can elevate your manufacturing operations, let's talk.